Hello, Mike Haskell from Plantsolutions, third generation tree expert. Today we're over here at the Bernardsville Centre, and we had a project over the last 2 years, and I just want to show you some of the results. These trees were thin, improperly planted, and they had us come in and do some restoration, some fertilization, and here's a good example of what. One of the ways we tell people, how is it working, and what do we look for, and how do you tell if your product's working or not. So basically, we're looking at the growth increments. So I'll show you really quick. So this is this year's growth. It's massive. I have to come all the way back. Way over 10 inches. This is 2 years. This would be 1 year, 2 years back, and it was working then. And this little piece right here, this is when the tree was dug from the ground and it was planted. And then they called us, we fed it. That was 2019, 2020, and this is 21. So again, if you guys are looking for some solutions for your plants, why they're dying, why they're not looking good, give us a call.